everyone. I am Fidelino Garcia Tuglasan, BSL Social Studies 3rd year. Ngayon ituturo ko sa inyo ang tatlong website na kailangan mo at ng mga classmate mo. 4 websites you should check to improve your English. First is the duolingo.com. These websites offer for free language learning resources, including English courses for speakers of other language, to provide interactive lessons and exercises to improve grammar, vocabulary, reading, writing, and listening skill. Second is Grammarly.com. This website is a powerful online grammar checker that can help you identify and correct English grammar and spelling error in your writing. It also suggests more concise and clear ways of expressing your idea. Third is the lengua.com. This website provides a lot of fun activities in English and other languages. These activities are based on reading, listening, and dictations. There are also business English sections if you like to practice their particular style. Third is the mangosh.com. This website is a lot of taste preparation website that helps students develop skills to pass their upcoming exam. This includes common exams in English speaking world such as GRE and SAT.